Ooh, it's early as ever. Man, it's spinning. Yo, Kev. Yo, Kev. Gotta get up, bruh. Supposed to be vlogging.
Bruh, not trying to vlog.
You ain't vlogged in like 4 days. I thought you was doing Vlogmas, bro.
I was supposed to. Too tired. Lazy.
Yeah, bro, you slacking. Come on, get up.
No, let me be lazy.
I know it's like 9 in the morning, but come on.
Exactly. Let me be lazy. Leave me alone.
You should have been vlogging. You should have been doing Vlogmas. Why you not doing Vlogmas, bro?
Cause, bruh. I don't know.
Yeah, but you asked your friends, should you do it? And then they said yeah, and you ain't do it. So what's going on? Not being lazy.
I know, I'm being lazy, bro. I gotta stop.
Alright, get up. Let's go.
Alright, bro. Come on. For the fans.
Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way.
You don't want to say anything.
Make sure you subscribe.
Alright, YouTube, so gotta take my girl car to the shop right now. Let's go. They said my car might be down later today. I'm gonna get down the car checked out later today. Alright, so everything happened later today. Alright, so I'm gonna be with y'all after school. We're gonna finish the rest of this vlog. Hey, y'all, if y'all in Buffalo, New York, or y'all ever come, make sure y'all hit 5-Star Automotive. Alright, there go my car right there. So, yeah.
Let me get some footage of the road.
Alright, y'all, I'm at school right now. We're right here. After this, hopefully, my car should be done later. See y'all later. Go ahead, Ma.
Alright guys, we are here at 5-Star Automotive with none other than Mr. Ron himself. He has been taking care of our vehicles for, a few months now, right?
Well, his for a few months. You're a couple years in.
Right, right. So,
OG.
Yeah.
OG. Whoa.
So, y'all make sure if you're in Western New York, if you need tire repair, whatever the case may be, whatever kind of car it is, they do everything. So, y'all make sure y'all come and hit up Ron at 5-Star Automotive and make sure you let him know that Wavykid Kev sent you.
Yeah.
While I'm speaking on his video, I don't know. But get his people, where they at? They hiding, Kevin.
Yeah, alright, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. That's
Yeah.
the mechanic who's gonna take care of you. Get him. He's hiding.
Yeah, David too.
Yeah.
He gonna take care
Yeah,
of you.
he's gonna take care of you. So y'all make sure y'all come and hit him up. All the information will be in the description below. All right.
Alright, they take care of foreign cars too, right?
All of them.
Alright, so yeah, he ain't gonna let you leave just to give you your car back. He's gonna
That's
make sure
right.
you're good. Alright? But make sure
No matter how many times this one was whining, he wasn't getting his car back until Ron said it was done.
Okay, that's a little bit too much
Nah.
Come see us.
Alright.
Take care of you.
Alright, YouTube. All the information will be down in the link in the description. Alright, so we out. Alright, YouTube, we in the car. I'm a little bit too excited. But yeah, it's me and Nita baby here. Yeah, Nita's gonna record for me, even though she's recording for her own self. Make sure y'all go subscribe to Nita baby. What's up, Nita baby? All my babies. And welcome to back to another video. Alright, so yeah. Alright, y'all. I'm driving right, and my mom keeps speeding in front of me like I'm not a NASCAR driver. Alright, so me and Nita need to get some Windex. Alright, y'all see we got the Windex here. We got the water repellent. Alright, so the drink been in the shop for a minute, so we gotta yeah, do what it do. I don't know how to show y'all this, but yeah, let me show y'all Nita. Alright, Nita. She doing her thing. Appreciate you.
Keep this in your car.
No duh. The day's almost over. The windshield is cleaner than what it was. We going to next? I don't know. Then we gotta get my dad food. So let's just go, man. Let's just go, man. Let's go. YouTube, you know what I'm saying? We got my car back, right? I got some stuff that I've been buying that I want to put on my car. So when I got it back, Kevin, we're gonna do a montage, okay? Edit it like it's like, you know what I'm saying, dope. Okay, let's go. Alright, YouTube, I don't know if I can see me. We're done here. We're done. I'm show you what I put in here. Tomorrow is the clean out day. Basically gonna detail my own car. Hopefully my girlfriend will be with us. So we're gonna clean the floors. We're gonna take these out, clean the floors, take these out. And then we're gonna vacuum the back floor, okay? And then we gotta, yeah. And then we gotta vacuum the trunk, so right now, my car looks sweet, all right? My car looks valid, it's valid. You know what I'm saying? Valid.
Oh, you ain't showed the lights to the back.
What light?
These, when you play the music.
I already showed them that.
Oh.
But all right, YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to Nita, baby.
Yeah, y'all. Make sure you subscribe to me.
Link in description. All right, YouTube. Got my uncle here. Okay. I've seen him on the channel multiple times. Okay. It's basically my freedom client. That make any sense? I do what I want, but not too crazy. But yeah, I get the point. But yeah, let me get this started, and that's gonna be the end of the vlog. All right. We had a good day. Got my car back. Went to school, did the thing. Alright. We'll be back for another vlog, hopefully tomorrow, if I got the energy. But yeah. Let's go.